Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm home from work because I flippin' tested positive for COVID yesterday. And I've been sick for a few days, but I thought it was just the stress of all the other stuff that's been going on. But no, it's COVID. And it's the weirdest thing. I have like this sinus headache and like a sore throat. But I just feel like I've been up all night, just like generally tired, like I've been up all night. But anyhow, I got something that's going to pick me up, perk me up, and make me feel really good. I'm going to slide it out to open, and then I'm going to cover it up with something, and then we'll undo it. So I got this package from Inked Pulp. Cheryl, thank you so much. I opened it up, guys. I couldn't help it. I had to open it. I couldn't wait. Ever since I went on her live and purchased what's in this box, I have been anticipating its arrival. I'm going to do today, I'm going to get some book pages, and I'm going to do covered buttons. So I'm going to cut out two pieces. I'm going to cut one out on regular cardstock, and then I'll cut some out on book pages, because I have somewhere in my arsenal tons and tons. I'm looking for buttons though, and I have buttons in here. This is all my Temu stuff, so I generally don't just come right out and do a Temu haul, but the next time I order, I will. These are from Cheryl. Cheryl, you probably recognize those. And I just bought some more. So see, here's part of my sewing. But I had buttons in here. And if I can't find them, that's okay. I'll go on my Cricut. I want to use my birthday present sometime during my day off. But anyhow, long story short, I wanted the books in a foreign language. Language. I'm so tired, you guys. Anyhow, so I wanted the book in foreign language so that I could do covered buttons. So anyhow, I'm moving all this stuff around, looking for my die cut that has a little button on it. And I may have to switch over to, I may just have to fire up my Cricut, and that's okay. I need to get the dust off of it. So long story short, I got the book in German, and look at this I didn't realize, but it's got like notes. Look at this. And this, I was like, whoa, that's so cool. See, somebody's come in and made notes, and I should be ashamed of myself for not knowing what they mean, because my ancestors were from Germany and France. Look at that music. Isn't that cool? So yes, Cheryl, I was very glad to get the book, because this is what I'm going to tear out just word pages in, and I'm going to put it in on buttons. I think that's going to be so cool. And I do, and then I have postcard stuff, but they're in French, so I don't know how that's going to work, putting a German picture. Well, yeah, you could do that. You went to Germany and you wrote back home in French. But, and then I have one that just says postcards. So yes, I'm going to be putting these on there. And so I got this book, and then I'm hiding these goodies. I don't want anybody to see the goodies until the last minute. Then there is this book, When Jemand einreist, and Paul Gauguin trennt sich von Family and friends and family, nach dem en den Versuch am Maler in Frankreich zu leben. Anyhow, yeah, I don't understand it so much. And I lived in Germany for 3 years. But this is a very difficult language, especially if you speak English and French and Spanish. And what I thought was cool is when you look at the pages, you don't really see that gold trim one at a time, but and you move it in the light, you definitely see it. So anyhow, same thing. This is going to be buttons, and it's got the smaller print, so that's pretty awesome if you ask me. So I got some larger print and some smaller print. So this is basically going to be buttons. Okay, now this was on another haul that I did, but let's start out with the free. So I got this, and what I thought was so odd is Cheryl, you said you weren't really into the Victorian, and I don't think it's funny, like haha, I'm laughing, just ironic that you do such a beautiful job with it. And look, cleaning streets, Frank Geo Jim, and then she made this with an envelope, and then journaling card, a little bit of lace, some ledger paper. So that is beautiful, and I was just very happy to have that. Very happy to have that. In fact, let me see if I have, yes, look at this. So this one was Cheryl's, and then I made this one, and it's called Lenora, and I think I put this on one of my videos where it's got the paper, and then it's got the journaling paper, and then it's got the ticket. So you see, Cheryl, this is right up my alley. So what I'm going to do, hopefully this week while I'm enjoying a little extra time in my craft room, although I'm not feeling super great, is do some more of these. And then I want to send these to Melanie over at Melanie Made for her to do, or I want to make these ahead of time. Maybe not decorate them, but I want to get these ready for her to do in her bingo day, because it helps her, and she definitely helps us. So there you go. I got this. That was the one I won, or she gave me. I don't know. Sometimes everything's a blur. And then this one I purchased, and this one is gorgeous. I mean, gorgeous. I love every bit of it. Now this one, I have a feeling, and look at this, $2.50. The price is phenomenal. What I think I'm going to do, whoops, it tore a little bit. I'll have to re-glue that. What I think I'm going to do, though, is make this one, and it's got a little tag in the back for you to journal on. This one, I think, excuse me, yeah, a little COVID there. This one, Cheryl, and my subscriber family, I think is going to be a journal topper. And the next one, I think, also is going to be a journal topper. So anyhow, this was next up, and it's just beautiful. I mean, I can't get over it. What a beautiful job. What a beautiful, beautiful piece of art. All right, here it is. Dun, 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 dun. Look at this. This is gorgeous. So there was one more. This is made out of a CD case. See? You can see. And then it has the tag. And then it has the behind the scenes picture in the CD. The CD holder, which I thought was amazing too. So this will be a journal topper as well, and I just love her lace and stuff. I mean, Cheryl, I love your vintage, your vintage style. I do. So I'm going to use it as, as a guide as to what I can do in my future journals, because I'm still a newbie. Still new at this, to me. All right, so then these notebooks, and I'm pretty sure these were made with, I want to say manila file, but here it is. She's got the lace spine, and then the old grungy Victorian lacy bow, like, oh, and then each layer of the notebook has its own lace. So this was layered up, and then look at the doily. In fact, guys, that's what I'm going to do with these. I'm going to get through dinner, and then I'm going to cut these out and go through my buttons that I'm going to cover in German. Yes, thank you. If I don't cut them out of the Cricut, I'll be actually using real buttons. But this is beautiful. So this is her vintage style, and I think she's phenomenal. I just think, wow. Okay, so then we have dyed paper, of course, which is just perfect. I mean, the feel of it, guys. The feel of this paper. And so I'm gonna flatter her by imitation. I definitely plan on making these. In fact, I started making the folders, the file folders. A little bit different, but same idea. So she's just covered this. She's just, I think she did a 3-stitch two hole pamphlet stitch. Yeah, two hole stitch. Woo, that's easy for me to say. And then she's got this. God, and this is just gorgeous. I just keep touching it. And then you open it, and you can just put whatever in there. And here's a little open spot for my dogs, you guys. I've told you the chicken story, right? So I'm not putting that in there, but you could put something like that in there. See? And I'm just like, oh my gosh, you guys, you got to go see her. You got to go be in one of her live streams where she sells, and she has some lots that she pre-sales on YouTube that she has also, and she's got paper clasps, you know, but they're decorative. They're like, I saw on the other channel, the other one I saw was fried eggs, birds, farm animals, pigs, bacon. She had bacon, you guys, and I wanted to go on and buy stuff, but I gotta be careful. I took on a little bit of extra debt for my brother, and I've got to get sorted through all of that, and then I'll be back on top again. So I gotta slow down my spending, which kills me because that's what I like to do. So anyhow, yes, I've gotten these done. I don't remember where I put them exactly. Is this one? Yeah, see? They're like this. So it's 3, like hers. And then the signatures will go in here. And then the little pocket and something will go on her here. So hers is this way. So that's how they'll be. And then you open it up to your signatures, and then open it up to your other goodies. So I got this one. This one was actually a salvage. So anyhow, Cheryl, thank you for making my heart just go pitty patter, because I'm in love with this. This is just gorgeous. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. So you're going to see this in upcoming videos, because I am going to imitate you and get these done. I just love how this lace lines up right here. That's what got me. That's what got me. So anyhow, I'm going to make these Victorian. I'm going to make them steampunk. I'm going to make them botanical. I'm going to make them until I'm completely sick of making them. And over here, I forgot, she's got a little tag. See? I'm also doing a swap coming up on Facebook where we're doing seamstress, 10 items seamstress. So I want to make one of these in a sewing theme, and then put pattern pages over here and whatnot. So anyhow, yes, thank you, Cheryl. The price was phenomenal, and I appreciate you for giving this at such a great price. sacrifice on your part, but I do love it. So these are going to be journal toppers thanks to Cheryl's hard work. That's a little bit less I have to do. And then I'm going to be making those. And then you'll see stuff like this on them. I haven't coffee dyed this. I've just been kind of playing with it, just kind of having fun with it. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for getting me closer to my goal. As I said, at 200 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a journal. And I think I'm going to give you a choice. If you are the lucky winner at my 200 subscriber party, I'm going to actually give you a choice of journals to choose from. So 2 more videos, the actual giveaway video, and then winner's choice. All right. I appreciate you guys. With that being said, I think I'm going to go get a drink of water and give my voice a rest. Appreciate you guys. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.